Hey Oriel, okay, here's my quick tutorial. Question 7, very simple. Let me show you what I did over here with the data though. So this was what you said about the attitude scale. Um, from 1 to 5, 1 being, I'll show you in the variable view, attitudes. Over here in the values, we put 1 was disagree all the way up to 5 agree, and this is a very typical scale. I didn't have your data, so I wasn't able to see it. I wasn't able to see that table. I think table 14, so I just filled this in, but it's very typical. 1 disagree all the way up to 5 agree. So that's what was in the stuff you sent me. And then over here, Republican and Democrat. So it's just like it said in your question 1 and 2. Okay, so pretty simple from here. I created those variables for you. I just created some mock data here. Okay, 40 respondents is what they said. So we have 40 student respondents. Okay. Um, and then again, I just sorted. These are all, we can consider these all random responses. And then I just sorted by affiliation. So you see all the way up until 20, you have 20 that affiliated as, claim their affiliation as Republican, and then the rest are Democrat. All right, so really simple from here. Let's go to analyze. We can go to descriptive statistics, and then we can do any one of these. Let's do just descriptives. The variables we're interested in would be attitudes. Okay. I think it said we want the means. Okay. So that's one thing, right? We can do, let me show you just doing it this way. We want options, and then we just want means. You can just keep it this way. You can go continue, and then we can say, okay. All right. And what you'll get are the means. So you get the means for overall, so the overall mean. Oh, this second one doesn't matter. So this was wrong. Don't pay attention to affiliation. That doesn't mean anything. So the mean score for all, okay, the mean score, forgetting about whether they were Republican or Democrat, the mean was 3.1. Okay, that's it. Now if we want to do this a little bit of a different way, let's do this. Okay, we can also do means. So you can go to analyze, compare means. And now we can say attitudes being like a dependent variable and affiliation being an independent variable. Don't even worry about that. Just say okay. Now we'll see. So you already wrote down the mean, right? I think it was 3.1. So we go okay. Now we have the means for both of them. So the mean for Republican 2.5 and the mean for Democrat 3.6. Okay. So that's that. Pretty simple. You've got all the means that you need using the descriptive up here. Okay, descriptive statistics, really simple. Descriptive statistics and then descriptives. All right, and what I did the last time is I put both of them in, but we don't want that. We just want attitudes. Again, boom, you got 3.1. That's what we're looking for, okay? And then just a quick review. Save contents, I'll put viewer new. Back to analyze, compare means, right? Just the way we had it. So 3.1 is the overall mean, but we see down here 2.5 if you're a Republican and 3.6 if you're a Democrat. Okay. And really the 3.1 was just a combination of these two. It would actually be the mean of these two, or the midpoint between those two. All right. Okay, so now we want to do a box plots. That's simple too. Graphs, legacy dialogues, box plots. Simple, and we just want a summaries for groups of cases. So we'll say define. We want to put the variable as attitudes and the category as affiliation. From there, okay, you have these neat looking little box plots that shows you the means 2.5 and whatever it was the last time. This up here, don't worry about that. That's an outlier. There's 6 cases that are 5s up in attitudes. Okay, they're trying to tell you that. So this is a box plot. That's all. It tells you the spread of. It looks at the spread of scores. So this is a 50th percentile. And this is all the way up to the 90th percentile. So more spread out. The scores for the Democrats are actually more spread out. All right, so that's your box plot. Quick review. How did we do that? We went into graphs, legacy dialogues, box plot, set it up so that your simple summaries, attitudes, affiliation, uh, attitudes again, that's your scale score, the 1 through 5, and the affiliations Republican or Democrat, and then just hit OK at your output. Boom. All right. Well, I hope you benefited from that, and that was helpful. If you ever need anything else like a tutorial, just let me know, and we'll do that again. Good luck.